Once your module has successfully exported into Commons, you can navigate to the Commons section from your dashboard by clicking over here on the Commons icon in your left menu. The first page on Commons will be where you can search for other people's modules and assignments that they've shared. To find your modules and assignments that you've shared, click on Shared. And the last module that you've uploaded will appear first on the screen. As you can see, I use Commons quite a bit to export assignments from one course to another without having to redo all of them. In order to export our sample module, click on Film Analysis. This is the module that we're using as an example. Choose Import and Download. Before you do that, I recommend that you make sure everything shows up as you intend it in the list right here. So it's got all of my files, it's got all of my instructions, as well as my assignments. Click on Import and Download, and then choose the course you wish to import it into. I'm going to choose Sandbox number 4. I'll import it into the course. As it says, it may take a little while to see the changes in your course, especially depending on how large the module is that you've included. This particular module is not very big because it is for one of my face-to-face classes originally, so it doesn't have quite the same amount of information an online class may have, for instance. If we navigate to my sandbox, we'll be able to see that the module has successfully imported. If you are importing a module, it will just automatically show up in your module section, like so. If you are importing individual assignments, you will need to add the individual assignment to your module. You can do that simply by clicking on here, and then you can choose your assignment from the list. And the last one will be imported assignments, and that is generally where you will find the assignments that you've imported from Commons here. You could click on that and add an imported assignment if you did not include the entire module. You can then go in, change any due dates you need to, adjust any instructions that might be different for your different classes if you want to have different due dates, for instance. But everything should be all in working order at this point.